In the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful and omnipotent. Hello dear students, this is me Abdul Basit, your English teacher. Welcome to my channel Al Basit Academy. I will upload videos on all grammatical topics with the help of your support. Before starting this video, I request you to subscribe my channel. Dear students, today's lesson is on pronoun. Okay, so what is a pronoun? So pronoun is the sentence element used to replaces a noun. Second point is pronouns have the same function as nouns. Third point is they are used to avoid a repetition and to clarify nouns categories of number, person and gender. Got it? I think it's clear. Okay, categories of pronouns. So we have the 5 categories of pronouns. So first is personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns and reflexive pronouns. Okay, so what is a personal pronoun? Personal pronouns represent specific people or things. Second point is we use them in place of person we are talking about. Third point is we use them depending on number, gender and case. For example, in number we have singular and plural. For singular we use I and for plural we use we. So gender we have female and male. For female we use the personal pronoun she, and for male we use personal pronoun and the personal pronoun usually they use in the beginning of a sentence. Case, subject we or object us. So we have the personal pronouns I, we, you, they, he, she, it, and we have all the object pronouns like the I object is me and he object is him, and we have the possessive adjectives as well, like for example the I possessive adjective is my, they possessive adjective is their, and object pronoun is them. Here is the examples. He ran fast, they played a tennis match. So he and they, so these are pronouns, these are personal pronouns, and runs and played, these are these are verbs. What is verb? Verb is a word which shows an action. Now we have the demonstrative pronouns. What is demonstrative pronouns? Demonstrative pronouns definition. Demonstrative pronouns represents a thing or things. This, that, and these and those. This we use for near a singular thing, and these we use for near plural things, and that we use for singular thing, and those we use for plural things. For example, we have this test is God, these are bad times, that is beautiful, those were the days. In here we have the pictures. So in the first two pictures these are the singular cases, and the second two pictures we have the plural cases. In the singular we have this is an apple, so this is mean that apple is near, and we use this for the near. It shows that apple is near to someone. That is an apple, that is an apple mean that apple is far, and we use that. So for things we use that, and for near things we use this, but these are this and that we use for singular case. In plural case we use these are apples, so it's mean that we have a lot of apples but it's near, and we use these. So and those are apples, so those are apples mean that apples are far, and we use those for apples. For this and that we use a helping verb is, and for these and those we use the helping verb are. Okay, reflexive pronouns. What is the definition of reflexive pronoun? A reflexive pronoun is used with an activized verb in order to reflect the action of the verb back on the subject. Clear? And another point, we use a reflexive pronoun when we want to refer back to the subject of the sentence or clause. Okay, what is active voice, passive voice, what is clause, what is sentence, what is phrase, what is complement? So I will make another video on it and you will be better understand. Okay, in third point we have singular and then plural. So for singulars we use myself, yourself. So myself and yourself show the reflection of action, like I saw myself in the mirror. So myself is a reflexive pronoun. Why do you blame yourself? So yourself is a reflexive pronoun. So myself and yourself shows here the reflection of an action. Okay, interrogative pronouns. So interrogative pronouns, the definition is we use interrogative pronouns to ask a question. Simple, it's very simple definition of interrogative pronouns, that we ask questions. Okay, second point is that they represent the thing that we don't know. Okay, this is second interesting point. We have the third one, that they have four main pronouns. What are they? Who, whom, what, which. So these are the four main pronouns. Examples: who told you about Mary's wedding? So here we are asking about a question. And another one, that what happened to your right leg? Okay, so here we also asking about some questions. So interrogative pronouns are pronouns that to ask a question. Thank you very much. If you have any kind of question so far related to this topic, please comment below and I will give you the answer. And do subscribe my channel and visit my Facebook page.